This video here is from Ken Olsen. He sent in 2 Nascars for the Nascar series happening later in this year. I do apologise for not throwing this up on the channel earlier, mate. I was waiting for an opportunity to throw these down the track. However, not available to do this at this point in time, so I thought let's just show everyone what you sent through. 2 Nascars. First of all, he sent through some decals, which I really appreciate. Look at this, Vegemite. A couple of smaller Vegemites, and look at these, VB. Wow, mate, are you an Aussie? Look how tiny these are. I wonder if you made these yourself. Thank you so much for sending these through, and they will go somewhere. Now, these cars do have drivers. This one here, he's calling this one Mick Dundee, I think. And the driver will be revealed when it races. Look at the Vegemite on there. VB sign there. If you don't know what VB is one of our beers in Australia. And if you're in Australia next time, go buy yourself a couple and check them out. This one here also has a driver. And this one is called Japawano, I think. Japawano. I could be wrong. I often am. And if I have mispronounced that, please let me know. Although, how are you going to tell me? Maybe I could use Google Translate to try and work that one out. Very nice looking cars. I'm not too sure what they are actually. It's all scratched out. I really don't know what they are. But I can't wait to try those on the track and see how they go. Thanks again, mate. Look forward to seeing you on the track in a couple of months. Cheers.